The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Kano, has named one of its lecture theatres after the late Barrister Zubaida Damakka, who was former Commissioner for Women Affairs in Kano State. The founder and chairman governing council of the university, Professor Prof Gwarzo, alongside the children and husband of the deceased, Alhaji Abubakar Damakka, unveiled the lecture theatre. Speaking shortly after the event, Professor Gwarzo, who described the deceased as a humble and generous personality, prayed to Almighty Allah to grant her the highest level of Jannah. Also, in a brief remark, the husband of the deceased, who is the managing director of LNZ Integrated Farms Limited, Alhaji Abubakar Damakka, thanked Professor Gwarzo for immortalizing the deceased. The occasion was attended by the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, and Vice President Administration MAAUN Niger Maradi, Dr. Shaibu Tanko. Others were the Vice President Campus Life MAAUN Kano, Dr. Hamza Garba, Director Communication Association of African Private Universities Engineer Bashir Garba, and Malam Murtala Musa Muri, Examination Controller, among others.